So it's gonna be a good day. Do not forget to subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my 100 subscribers. I do not take it for granted at all. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the like button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. I'll be sharing amazing content which I know you would like. So today I'll be going for a self-care at Yaba, and Yaba is somewhere in the central of Lagos. I'll be going for a self-care. I'll be going for a pedicure. I'll be going for my facials. I'm going to also buy some other cosmetics. So guys, I'll show you how my self-care day looks like. I'll show you what I'll be doing if I'm opportune to do so. So guys, stay tuned. Forget once again to subscribe. Let's get to the 1,000 subscribers. Sharing with you a lot of amazing content on how to live healthy, stay healthy, and keep being healthy. Please do not mess your girl up. Thank you guys. So look at how I look today. Yeah. Well, okay guys, thank you. See you later. Bye. So guys, I'm on my way to Yaba now and the road is free. So I usually like to go out on Sundays because the congestion on the road is very, very low. And like you can see, I'm currently at Maryland now, and the road on both sides are free. Yeah. So guys, I mentioned earlier that I'm going for my self-care. So I'll be doing my facials today. My face is quite rough with a lot of pimple and blackheads. So I'm hoping that once I'm done, it's going to be clear, free. Yeah, so it's gonna be a good day. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Yeah, so just eat. So I know a lot of people will be wondering that since I share recipes on how to lose weight, how to get weight, how to reduce your low cholesterol level, and all sorts, that I should be able to have a recipe that will cure my acne. So the truth is, no matter what you do or no matter what you take, there are still some basic things that you need to do to also help you. Just like taking a lot of fruits, a lot of healthy meals and all that, it's also still important that you go do self-care on yourself. If you need to exercise a whole lot. If you need to get the dermatologist to prescribe things that you need to use to take care of yourself, please do so for me. Aside taking a lot of fruits and a lot of things that help me naturally, I also try as much as possible to also take care of my skin by going to any cosmetic or dermatologist to help me provide solutions on what I should do to improve my skin. So right now I've used a lot of things on my face for my acne, but it's a very stubborn one. So I resulted in going for facials every 3 months. So it's another 3 months again, and yeah, I need to go through it again to make my face clear. So I know you can't really see much, you can't see a whole lot on my face, but really there are some black hairs that I need to take out of my skin so that I'll have my skin fresh and all glowy. Yeah, so do not forget to ensure to always have a good routine care for yourself, either skincare, exercise, or anything you think you need to incorporate into your daily living. Yeah. So I'm still on my way, like I told you, and the road is so free. Yeah. So, guys, I've been saying all along in my video that you should not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. Yeah. So I'm heading to the complex itself. Nigeria thinking was true too. Power was interrupted.
So guys, the queue in there is quite much, so I had to get something to eat at Paul. I got chicken fried rice and gizzard with a bottle of drink and a big bottle of water, because I need something that will sustain me all through I'll be here. Big bottle of water here. So I'll have this now and I'll go back inside.
Finally, my face was done and I had to put on my mask while my pedicure was going on. And I also sat on this amazing orthopedic chair, which helped me to massage my back thoroughly. God, like I needed to do this, and yes, I did. The lady who did my pedicure was really good. She took out all the dead cells from my foot and I really had a good experience. I've never had a bad experience with Mama Tega. I must say she's really good. If you have not tried her, please do well to go try her out. Employees are well trained, and I give them credit for doing a good job in any kind of facials you would like to have with them. Please go try it out with them. They're So finally, my facials was done, my pedicure was done, and it was about time to take off the mask off my face. I had a very good time. So guys, it's evening already, and I'm done with my facials. I did my facials, like you can see, my pedicure, and I'm on my way home right now. I don't know if you can see the difference anyways, but yeah, it's a whole lot of difference. My face looks clear, smooth, without pimples and blackheads. I'll show you my progress. Don't worry. But the smooth one already. I like how I feel. I like how my foot feels right now. I had a good day. Yep. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos, and please do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. So on my way back, I had to get something to eat because I know that I will not be able to prepare anything again when I go home. So I had to stop over at the pizza house where I got pizza and chicken, and I had a swell time. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Yalla, bye.